What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I have a weighted V-cut abs workout for you. All right, like I said, today's video is going to be a weighted ab workout where we're really going to be focusing on working the obliques and getting those V-lines, because obviously those V-lines are made prominent by working out your obliques and building your obliques. But if you really want your obliques to show, I will say the best tip is to lower your body fat percentage so you can actually have those lines showing, because if you got a layer of fat covering your abs, then you can have the best abs in the world, but they're going to be hidden. And if you want to learn 3 quick and easy ways to burn fat a little bit faster, I do have a free video presentation right down in the link in the description if you want my couple of my secrets for staying lean year round, if you want to check that out. But getting into this ab workout, it's only going to be 3 exercises that we're going to be doing, and it's going to be weighted. So we're going to be going with a lower rep range here, but because we're adding weights, it's still going to be working our abs amazingly. But this workout's also not going to take very long because it's only 3 exercises. So we're going to be starting out with some windshield wipers. Now this is going to be a little bit more advanced if you are looking for a little bit easier of a V-cut abs workout. I'm going to put a card up to one right here. This is definitely for people who already have a good amount of strength in your obliques, because these windshield wipers are tough. You're basically hanging from a bar and have your upper back parallel to the ground, and then you're dropping your legs down to each side, really feeling a stretch on that outer oblique, and then pulling up with the opposite oblique, and you're going to go back and forth. You're going to go 8 reps each side. So it's technically going to be 16 if you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, but you're going 8 each side. You're going to rest for a minute. You're going to do that 2 more times. So you're just doing 3 sets of these. After that, we're going to go and we're going to pick up a pretty heavy dumbbell here. So I'm going to be using like 60, 70 pound dumbbells here, and just one, and we're going to be doing dumbbell side bends. And the reason I really emphasize using just one is because one of the biggest oblique training mistakes that you can make is having a dumbbell in both hands for these side bends, because when you have the same weight in each hand, the weight is just offsetting each other, and you're basically just working your forearms and doing the same amount of work on your obliques as you are when you do it with no weight. So instead, you're going to drop one of those, just have one in your hand. You're going to bring your legs a little bit apart to get a nice strong base, and then you're going to really focus on dropping that dumbbell as far down as you can, and then feeling like a stretch in that outer oblique, and then pulling with that outer oblique to get it back up and squeezing all the way down. And so you're going to go 8 reps on that side, switch dumbbells or switch hands with a dumbbell, 8 reps on the other side, rest for a minute. Do that 2 more times, so 3 sets of this as well. Then we're going to get a little bit lighter of a dumbbell, and I'm just going to be using like a 15-pound dumbbell here. We're going to drop down to the ground, and we're going to be doing a side plank hip dip. And so with these, basically you're getting down on the ground, you're getting into a side plank on your hand, so on your palm, not your elbow, on your palm. That way you can drop your hips a lot farther. Then you're going to place that dumbbell on top of your hips, and then you're going to drop your hips as far down as you can and squeeze up with that under oblique. Same thing, get a stretch all the way back up. Get a stretch all the way back up. 8 reps on that side, flip over, 8 reps on the other side, rest for a minute. Do that 2 more times for 3 sets total, and that's going to be the entire workout. So this doesn't take very long. It's only probably going to take you about maybe 10-15 minutes, so it's perfect to do after your workout, or maybe even before your workout if you're someone who likes doing abs in the beginning, although I'd recommend doing them at the end because you need your core to be able to lift weights. But just 10-15 minutes, 3 times per week, and that's really going to help build that strength in that area. But again, make sure that you're focusing on burning fat as well. That way your abs are actually showing. And click that link in the description if you want a couple quick and easy ways to help you burn fat a little bit faster. But that's it for this video, guys. If this helped, if you plan to use this workout, make sure you're clicking that thumbs up button below. It really lets me know to keep making ab workouts. Also, if you have any recommendations on video topics you want me to cover in my next video, comment it down in the comment section, and then make sure you're subscribing to the channel. That way you don't miss out on if I make a video for you. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.